Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful video tutorial. I use Xiaomi Wi-Fi router, and this is the router's default IP. In this tutorial, I will show how can we set up another guest Wi-Fi with our existing Wi-Fi system. Search the internet for your router IP address. At first, go to your any internet browser and paste or type router IP. After this, log into your Wi-Fi router, provide the default password, or set password. Type your password. You can see that I log on to my Wi-Fi router. Let's go to check my connected Wi-Fi network name, or SSID name. You can see my router name is shown here. Now, I create the same name as another SSID for the guest users. Go to the Wi-Fi router setting menu. Then click on Wi-Fi settings. We can see our current Wi-Fi, and the guest Wi-Fi option is below here. My guest's Wi-Fi is turned off. Before turn on, we need to type the guest's Wi-Fi name and password. I type my guest SSID name. After type name and password, select on options, and click on save. Select yes, your router is rebooted within 30 seconds. Please wait, now you are disconnected from your network. After disconnected, you connected automatically to your Wi-Fi router again. Let's check whether our guest's Wi-Fi network is available or not, and try to connect to the guest's Wi-Fi network. We can see our guest's SSID is created. Now we are connected with this guest's Wi-Fi. Connected. You can use both Wi-Fi now, and you find two Wi-Fi from one router. That's really amazing. Now, you try for guest Wi-Fi setup for any router at your home. Maximum Upgrade Wi-Fi router has this guest Wi-Fi options.